Can I ask you something?
Of course, buddy. What are you thinking about?
The weekend is coming soon. Can we go somewhere peaceful? Somewhere in nature where we can relax and learn something new?
A learning trip. That sounds very nice.
Ben, how are you? I am busy, but happy. My son wants a natural trip this weekend.
Then come to my farm with family.
Okay, thank you, Ben. We'll come to see you tomorrow.
Ethan, wake up! We're already late!
What happened, Mom?
Ethan, we are already late.
We are...
Going to the farm today.
Really? A real farm? Wow!
Yes.
Okay, Mom. I am ready.
Today, cookies and water are very important.
Today is going to be a fantastic day.
Ethan, hurry up. We're running late. Okay, Mom, let's go.
Dad, what does agriculture mean?
It means growing food and caring for plants.
Farms are where food begins.
Welcome to my farm.
Sometimes the simplest journeys are the most profound.
Ethan, let me tell you about the most important thing here first, and that is the soil.
This soil helps plants grow.
The ground is alive?
Yes, the ground is alive.
These plants are very tall.
Corn grows toward the sun. It gives energy.
Wow, I will definitely include this in my diet.
They look so beautiful. What are these? Oh,
These are tomatoes, and they make our body strong.
how, Uncle?
Tomatoes support our heart, immune system, and vision.
Can I take some tomatoes with me?
Why not?
It was hiding underground.
Yes, this is carrot, and it grows underground. This is a vegetable, and we cook it. It helps our eyes.
This is spinach. It is also a vegetable. Spinach makes our body strong.
This is amazing.
I want to be strong.
You will be, Ethan. You will be. Ethan, hurry up. The next surprise is ready for you.
Okay, Uncle, let's move. It feels warm here.
This is called a greenhouse. The temperature is maintained here. Plants grow safely here.
I learned so much today. We are very proud of you.
Ben, thank you so much. We had a great time today.
I didn't just enjoy it. I learned a lot too.
Today was amazing.
I am glad you enjoyed it.